What up? Um, let's have a look over here. Suman, what up, my dude? Good to have you here. Gold is just off and it's leaving no prisoners. Gold is off and leaving no prisoners. So I'm just doing a quick scan here, make sure everything's working. I think it's all good. Did you see gold going up? Yeah, like I've had a little sticky beak here and there. I haven't been watching it though. Craziness over here. I'm gonna do just a quick bit of top-down analysis over here, start on the daily and then get a bit of an overview of what's going on here because I haven't been really paying attention. So look at this for the weekly, you guys, just green, green, green. I can't believe we're retracing all the way back up to where we had the big drop-off for the election. Wow. We're just retracing all the way back up. So the daily, like the candle bodies are closing bigger. Like there's still very strong bullish momentum. There's no sign of slowing down, which is pretty crazy. Let's look at the 4 hourly. Same thing. Candle bodies are big. There's just strength, bro. There's strength. 1 hourly. Like I know there's a bit of some sort of resistance over here, so I'm going to put some line here just to mark it. We're kind of at the first one now. The second one's there. Cool, 1 hour. So let's have a look. Let's zoom in for the 1 hour a little bit here. Yeah, there's not much to say other than just pushing up, man. 30-minute, we created a little bit of 30-minute support and then it just pushed out past that. It's kind of the setup I was waiting for yesterday actually, but it didn't arise. And the 15. Cool, so let me have a look over here. Let me have a look over here. Oh, thank you, Chris, for the gifts over there. You are the man. We've got London open officially in a minute, so gonna have to just wait for that, right? Gonna have to wait and see how this London open happens. But yeah, just crazy momentum to the upside. Crazy momentum to the upside. It's not slowing down. It's just, if anything, it's picking up. If anything, it is picking up. Oh my god, this freaking bug just keeps popping up. Raphael, what up, my dude? Thank you, brother. Thank you. Same to you. Same to you. Yeah, that pop-up's going to do my head in. Do you see gold going up or down today? Probably up because it's going up right now. If it's picking up, then we wait for a retest and buy again. Yeah, pretty much, brother. Yep. Yazin, what up? Ryan, what up? What up, what up? I'm not sure about silver. I'll have a look at silver in a little bit. I just want to see how what happens over here. So 30 seconds for this candle closure. And let's see. Because anyone that watches my streams knows that there's minimal we can do right up here at the moment. It's just green. There's a level here, right? There's some sort of support now here. I'm panicking, bro. Been holding for the whole week. Oh, that's incredible. I wouldn't be panicking. I would be smiling. Smile. Look at the moo ding. I don't know what that is. Congrats on getting funded. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Really appreciate that, man. Yeah, really good moment. Really good moment over there. So essentially, bro, it's pretty simple stuff. Need some sort of red candle printed here, and then I get a clearer picture of what could be a potential option for a trade. All right. Think about all the volume we've had pre-London, Asia, everything. And we know London's a high volume time as well. So I just think, yeah, I think let's just ride the wave. Let's ride the uptrend, my dudes. Let's ride the trend. Thank you for the follow over there, Tyler, on TikTok and GBA and freaking Chenko. Are we selling gold? I'll sell gold if you give me an explanation why that's a good idea. How about that? So yeah, strong bullish. That previous hour candle closed strong. I've been buying up. Yeah, nice. That's the go. That's the way, man. You want it to push up even more? Bro, how greedy do you want to get? It's been pushing up all week. Depends what type of trader you are. Are you a swing trader, a scalper, or whatever? Depends what your average pip count is and things like that. You know, how many pips do you want to catch on average? What's all the big wicks on the green candles telling you? Not much, not much. Just had volume, pushed up, created a bit of a wick, then just continued up. Not much. Not much. If it was like one key area which it just kept wicking, like this area, like you can see it tried to wick, it came down and wicked off multiple times. Maybe that could be like, okay, there's a strong level down there. Even then, I'd be like, okay, cool. If we get a candle closure, that's cool. We might be breaking that level. If not, go above. Try not to think about it too much because you can get in your own. Whoever found this, like the charts can kind of mesmerize you a little bit, right? You can get a bit hypnotized. So it's good to. I feel like it's good to not overthink it too much. Just be like, all right, what's it showing me right now? Yeah, lucky mash. Then that's all good, brother. Just keep holding it. So, yeah, I'd like to see if this candle can close red. Give me something to work with over here. That'd be pretty good. That would be good, I think. Because essentially, if this candle can close red, right, I'd just be looking at this. I'd be looking for the same thing that I've been looking at anytime I trade, is basically a breakout. Get the next candle to kind of close above that zone. Next one to wick down, and then shoot up and take a buy there. It's really that simple. And if that doesn't happen, then I can try and look for something else. And if something else doesn't show up, then I don't have to trade. It's all good. I'm here from the I passed my 25k evaluation. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Bro, that video's gone fucking viral. One of my other videos got like 65k views as well. I was like, yeah, that went pretty crazy. I was like, what the hell? But yeah, appreciate that, brother. Concluded my third trading day on my first funded yesterday. 3 for 3 so far. Oh, epic, bro. Good job. Hell yeah. Buy or sell? We don't answer them questions here. Are you trading on COMX? I don't know what that means. Mad is pumping. If that's crypto, I don't care. What's the setup today, brother? I'll tell you when this candle gets closer to being closed. I'll tell you when this candle gets closer to being closed. Because I could say something right now, but and this candle closes green, then I have to reevaluate. In the 5-minute time frame, is there an FVG? I don't know. I don't pay attention to that stuff. Yeah, man, I couldn't believe how crazy that 25k evaluation funded video's gone. Heaps of traders have been like commenting and stuff. Everyone's freaking super nice. Smoggle, Graffiti, what up, gang? Good to see you guys here. Yeah, it's just moving up. All the way up. I should take this text away for a minute. And just write. And then I'll start putting some text as to what I'm looking for on these lines when a clearer indication of what pops up arises. Is gold your trading? Yeah, gold's what I trade. Oh, what up, Dillawa? What up, bro? Nice trade today, my dude. Good stuff, man. I was going to say to you in the Discord is, unless you see an AAA plus setup today, I wouldn't even take any more trades. Right, it's probably not worth risking giving the profits back. Finish the week strong. Buy or sell reggae. Bro, I'm going to put a new disclaimer. You'll be blocked from TikTok as a whole if you type the text buy or sell. Oh, thank you for sharing the live over there. Buzzy, Wuzzy, something, Muzzy, Cuzzy. Alright, so this candle's... Yeah, we'll have to wait to see what happens with this candle. I'll give it a bit more time and wait till it gets a bit more closer to being closed before I can get a bit of clearer indication of what I might be looking for over here. Graffiti, bro. What up, Paul? Good to have you here, bruh. Fair enough, Dillawa, fair enough. Pumping, yeah, man. She's off. Look at this, you guys. Wowzo. Is there any red folder news today? Not for the US dollar. Okay. But yeah, to put into perspective, like essentially, it'd be pretty simple, man. If this candle closes like this, you guys, and the next one can close above this range like this, pretty simple stuff. I'll look to take a buy there, anticipating a continuation up. Breakout 101. Is gold the only pair you trade? Yeah, I only trade gold during the London session. That's it. That's all I do, bro. That's when I found the most consistency. Less is more. I used to trade every session, do everything I could, take every setup, just do it all. It's just like, it's just not how it works. Are you buying now? What gives you that indication? What would prompt such a message to be put inside of the chat? London boys, yes sir. My London boy. London boy. Time frame is 15. No, I don't trade the New York session. Trade just the London session. I'm in Australia. New York's a bit late for me, and even if it wasn't too late, I would never do 2 sessions. It's too mentally fatiguing. I don't want to move into the New York session with a bit of mental fatigue. I want to be sharp as an arrow. I want to be in the session sharp as an arrow. London is perfect for us. Yeah, exactly, brother. Emil, what up, dude? Morning. If gold prices rally upwards without a bottom wick, will you take a trade? And what does the top and bottom wicks tell us? It's circumstantial. So look at this, for instance. If we go to the 30-minute time frame, I would have been looking at buys at a break above this red candle here, and that created no bottom wick. It's risky. I don't know if I would risk it without a bottom wick first, because you got to ask yourself, if we know that 95% of candles always create a top and bottom wick, and it starts to leave without you, all that's going to be in my head is, well, is this going to be one of the 5% of candles that doesn't create a wick, right? Or am I going to have to go back and go through drawdown soon? So I think on very rare circumstances, I'll take a trade without a wick. but it's pretty rare, man. It's about stacking the odds in my favor, and if I take a trade without a wick, it's kind of swaying the odds a little bit, I think. How did you first get into trading? I had a mental breakdown, moved to a different country for 6 months, and then looked in the mirror metaphorically and said, man, I got to figure something out. I need to get to the bag. And I said, well, what am I good at? I don't know. I can work really hard if I set my mind to something. So then I just started typing into Google ways to make money, like high income ways. And one of them said trade. And I was like, man, I've always wondered what trading was. And I did the Baby Pips course and just got sucked in, bro. I was instantly addicted. So got 3 minutes over here before this candle closes. And red or black. Bro, fucking casino over here. Thank you, brother. How long have you been trading for, Chris? So yeah, you guys, I want this to ideally flip red. If it doesn't, just have to hang out here and just wait for a red an opportunity for a candle to flip red to create a bit of support. So then we've got something to work with over here. Yasmi, what up? I'm incredible. It's a Friday. I get to be here with you guys and look to take a trade over here at some point. So yeah, I'm really good. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, trap. That's the way, man. If you trade similar to me, then it was a no trade day, really. Like, there's obviously opportunities for particular types of traders, but sometimes with trends, with my strategy, it can be a bit difficult. You have to be a bit more impulsive. I like to catch, I personally like to catch the breakout of a consolidation a lot. And is Baby Pips course free? Yes, but it's not something that's going to teach you strategy and things like that. It's going to teach you about what trading actually is. Like, why do the markets move? What's a liquidity provider? What's A book, B book? Like, it's kind of just going to get you in the game kind of thing. And it's kind of boring, right? And it's going to test you. Well, if I'm really into this, am I willing to actually learn what this is, even if it is boring? Just over a year, I met a friend at work who had just turned profitable, and he mentored me. Oh, awesome, bro. Nice. That's the way. Good shit. Today is strong buy. Yasmi, yes. Now we're speaking my language. A lot of people would say, sell, sell. Trend is where you make your most money. Yeah. That's why I'm only looking for buys, really. Why are you looking for red? It's obviously going to pump up, catch a small move, because that doesn't give me any confluence. There's only the one confluence that it's moving up. That's not enough for me to take a buy, just because I'm like, it's moving up, take a buy. It's like saying, well, it's at this level in the Fibonacci, take a sell or a buy. It's like, that's just one confluence. I need multiple confluences to stack in order for me to be comfortable taking a buy, and just the fact that it's moving isn't enough. No, red doesn't mean the trend is turning. Look all the way up this. We've been trending this entire week. Do you see red? Yes. Red's stability. Red's like, look at areas like this, like the market's fueling up for its next move. Cool. Fueling up for its next move, right? The red that's getting printed here is some stability. We need some stability over here before we can predict the next move, or try to predict the next move. Never anything obvious on gold. Yeah, there's never anything obvious on freaking any of these. All right, so this candle, the previous 15 just closed smaller body. I know to the left-hand side, considering it's been clean range to the left-hand side, there's actually a little bit of shit here for once. So we're kind of at this level, you can see over here. let me just delete this line, it's confusing. There's a bit of, this is to the left over here, so some issues that it might, you know, get caught up on a little bit. So we'll just have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, like I said, gonna have to just wait around until some sort of red gets printed, unless it moves back. So check this out, you guys. Unless for whatever reason it impulsively moves back down under this support level here, and then we can see what we can make happen. But for now, I can't do anything until some sort of until this flips red or something like that. 15. I'll stay on the 15 for now. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if gold, we like break past all-time highs and stuff like over the next weeks and things like that. Because if you remember before Trump, we were continuing up, we were moving, breaking all-time highs, all-time highs, all-time highs. Like there's no reason why it can't just go back to doing that. Oh, thank you for sharing the live over there, Energy. Gang. Election completely forgotten in 2 weeks. Yeah, legit. Oh, we've got a crystal ball over here. My crystal ball tells me this is a retracement from the cell fueled by war. Ooh. How long you stayed in Australia? I'm an Australian, so I've been here forever. I was born. Well, if you look on the 4-hour time frame, it does kind of look like a Head and Shoulders is being formed, to be honest. This could be like the pullback of a Head and Shoulders. Like this is a 4-hour time frame, you guys. Check this out. Left shoulder, head, and then this could be the pullback for the right shoulder to a continuation down. Like I'm not one of these type of guys, but you can't deny that that looks like that. And essentially all that indicates is, yeah, what we had a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high potentially, and then another lower low coming. Yeah, and it's very clean. So when you look for like market patterns, from my belief and from what I've seen, is when you look at patterns like this, because you know there's like patterns within a small range, or there's patterns where you're like looking at head and shoulder patterns over a large time frame. The cleaner they are, the more kind of consistent they play out, I've found. And this looks pretty flippin' clean, but I don't really care about that, to be honest. So let's just focus on what we're focusing on. Yeah, once the nuke goes off, gold's going off as well, for sure. No, you said red never means the trend turns. Wait for red to buy. Yeah. What do you mean? You said that red means that the trend is turning. I said, no, look, there's red everywhere. Red can just be support. What's your TP? What's your body count? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I'm just chilling. It's 6:30 p.m. here in Australia. No, for anyone new here, I'm waiting for a candle to flip red. Right now, there's no stability in it. It's just up in the air. I can't take a buy when it's just green, green, green. You need to stack confluences, right? And right now, the only confluence is, well, we're moving up aggressively. I can't just take a buy because the market's moving up. I need multiple things to stack in order for me to be like, yeah, okay. Now I'm ready. What program did you use to learn trading? What do you mean by program? Yeah, just gold, only gold. Wow, look at this, you guys. Wild stuff over here. Wild stuff over here. Again, there's some sort of resistance here to the left where it wicked off. So we'll see if it has an issue getting past that. I don't know. How do you sleep at night with this anxiety? What anxiety? What anxiety? What course of trading? It's all about mental tough. Like you mentally adapt, right? It's like people that go to war. Like eventually they just get numb to it. So it's just. Five green can, bro. Tyler, listen to me for a second, bucko. I know that you're very confused. Like the market's moving up, why not buy? I'm glad that you're actually asking why not buy instead of sell, because most people go, can I take a sell? It's like, why? It's moving up. But you need more than just the market moving up for you to take a position, right? It's not enough. I need like 4 to 5 key boxes ticked in order for me to go, okay, now I'm ready to execute. Right now, the only box that's been ticked is the market's moving up. That's not enough, right? When you say resistance, what do you mean? I'm loving this. Thanks. Resistance is just an area where price is above and has multiple touches and doesn't break through, and also a red and green candle get printed next to each other. So right now, resistance is actually here, sorry. Resistance is there. The market is above it, and a red and green candle printed next to each other. That's the only resistance here. The next one would be like down. There's a few minor resistances here, but the main one would be, the next one would be here for me, right? It's the lowest point in this kind of consolidation range here. Oh, sorry, I'm talking about support. That's support. Resistance is the top end of that. So technically, there's no real resistance here just yet. That's the thing, there's no resistance yet. It's just support. So I need a red candle to be printed. So check this out, Yasmi. If this candle that's open right now flipped like this, right? Like this, then my resistance level would now be there, right? Now we've got resistance here. You've got support and resistance. And this in between is the range. This is the range here, right? We'll have support, resistance here and support here. And then I essentially would be waiting for a breakout below or a breakout above. A breakout meaning a candle closes above that range. But right now we only have a bit of support here, weak support as well, and no resistance is being created yet. So I'm waiting for a red candle to be printed so I can say, all right, now we've got resistance, support, and range. No chance to sell? There could be, but I wouldn't. There's not enough confirmation for me. Drop it in the Discord, Graffiti, and I'll pull it up on the screen here if you've got some analysis. With leverage, that pump would be printing right now for you. Oh my God, Tyler. Bro. You don't get it, bros. You don't get it. Shelly, good to see you. I remember you. I remember you from yesterday. Oh, you've even dropped a little flower emoji. I like the energy. I like the feminine, nice energy that you're bringing to the markets because it's such a high stress environment. Tilawa, help me out here, brother. Millie, see what? See what? Can't believe there's girls in the chat over here. girls over here on the charts. That's pretty cool to see. That's pretty cool to see. Lol, don't get nervous, Daniel. It's just a girl. High stress environment. Oh, yes, yes, yes. No, I'm not stressed out by the charts. I'm stressed out by people in the chat that say crazy shit. And I'm like, bro. They're totally real accounts. Oh, they're not even girls either. They're fake accounts. God damn it. Rats. Move the screen across. It's nearly... Yeah, right. This candle closed in 3 minutes, so let's see if you can close red over here. You guys, I'm on YouTube as well if you want to see the full screen. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. See the full screen. All the love, brother. Someone's throwing eyes in like a plant emoji. I don't know if you're implying that plant that I probably can't say out loud. When gold sells, almost time, right? With question marks. Almost time for sells, you're saying. Hang on, let me just jump over here real quick. Almost time for sells, you're saying. This is a weekly candle. Almost time for sells. Right? You guys are hurting me. 2 minutes over here. I'm not trying to stress you out, bro. No, I'm only joking. I'm only joking. It's a Friday. It's almost Christmas too. Yeah, like Graffiti just said. It's almost Christmas. It's all good over here. 2 minutes. So let's see what's going to happen. Looks like these candle bodies are getting smaller as well, you guys. Taking a sell back down into this support zone here would be like highly advised. But I'm a highly freaking crazy person. So we're kind of at this level of support over here to the left-hand side. Other than that, it's been pretty flipping clean range. We'll have to see. Because there's certain things that, like, check this out, you guys. I might look at taking a sell, and like anyone that knows trading would be like, dude, this dude's insane. Like, just say this candle closed like that. The next one wicked up like this and pushed down. Like, I'm assuming it would push down that far. I would take a sell there. If it broke past there, I would potentially take a sell back down into this range. If it forms like that. Yes, it's risky, but you know, you only live once, as they say, and it fits the criteria to a degree. Can you give me your analysis on silver? Yeah, right, let's have a look. Let's have a look at silver. I'll do it quick because I want to... So this is the daily. Let's have a look at the daily. Whatever. Pushing up. There's a key like daily level of support resistance here that it looks like it's broke past. Right. Let's go to 4 hourly. I'll move that up here now. Right. That's the resistance level in the 4 hourly. It's moving up pretty aggressively. 1 hour. And I'll just drop back to the 15. So I personally wouldn't do anything until this resistance level gets touched. What's the resistance level? The highest level over here to the left. The closest highest level just there to the left. Right? I personally wouldn't be doing anything until that gets touched. And it's very green over here as well. There's no red being printed yet. So I would have to be sitting on my hands right now personally. Let's go back to gold. All right, so we got a red candle printed over here. I said that if something like this presents itself, I would take a sell, but I don't take positions within the first minute of a candle opening. So let's just see over here. It's been detected that your live chat didn't appear, bro. Fuck off. Test. Let me just write test here. Let me do a quick scan through all these time frames, because if I take a sell here, I am top 10 most highly advisable traders on the planet. Yeah, I do like it. I do like it. I'm putting a sell stop here, you guys. I'm going to lower my risk a little bit. I'm putting a sell stop below the wick of that previous 15-minute candle. I haven't really gone into too much detail about why I'm taking this position. I'll do it in a sec. I don't advise anyone to take this, this trade. Yeah, I've got it a wick, pip below that previous wick as a pullback. One of the biggest reasons is it's simply this, you guys. Check this out. We know on an uptrend, a chart moves like this, has its pullbacks, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. I'm essentially taking a sell at what I believe is a high, anticipating that pullback to create the low before it continues back up. These are the trades that high professionals will say, unless you're super professional, don't try to take these types of pullback trades against the trend. But it's ticking a lot of my boxes. Like the candle bodies are getting smaller, printed a red, blah, 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 whatever. I've back tested this particular trade a lot, just put it that way. And I've taken these, I've had relatively success with these trades. I will put a buy limit there. I would do the same. You're probably better off. But alternatively, what I'll also be looking at is a buy above this range. If this candle closes above this range, I'll cancel that order and look at taking a buy. What coin is this, bro? By that question, I assume that you're new to this whole thing and you've come in on the influx of like crypto boom people. This is the coin called gold. Dan, check Discord. Okay, I'll check Discord. Guys, join the Discord if you're a true warrior of life. Okay, so let me have a look over here. Dillawar's dropped in something over here. So you're looking at some sort of uptrend, like respecting a trend line over here, and then anticipating a bounce off it. I don't understand, with the trend lines getting increasingly, they're opening up, Dillawar, as it's going up. Is that essentially what you were looking at, is a bounce off the trend line? Yeah, I remember the last crypto boom. Well, think about this, guys. With these crypto booms, what happens after it? It busts and everyone loses their money. Yeah, that's what you're looking at. Okay. Yeah, interesting. We'll see. Yeah, I haven't really even looked at trend lines and stuff. Let's see, is this one being respected over here? It's a very vertical trend line, isn't it? But yeah, I've got a sell stop below the wick of that previous red candle, but if this candle here breaks above over here, I'll cancel my order and look at taking a buy potentially. Bitcoin is definitely not busting. Yeah, I agree. If it breaks this current zone, yeah, all right, we'll see. And just say this goes up here and then starts to wick down, I'll be canceling my order about 4 minutes before this candle closes. If it's gonna cruise down, I want it to happen relatively soon. But alternatively, if it hangs around here, sweet, I'll be looking at a buy. How long to the 4 hour? Still got an hour and a half on the 4. Strong hourly, relatively weak half hourly, weaker 15. And there's times where like I will be looking at taking an impulse buy in this type of trend without waiting for a candle closure. But the only reason I wouldn't do that here where we are right now is one, the candle bodies previous were getting smaller instead of bigger. And also I don't do it when there's wicks, right? When there's wicks that have been rejected off there, it shows me that, hey, these ones had issues pushing up impulsively. So yeah, I wouldn't be doing that. What's the price for resistance? Jump on the YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. You can see the full screen with the price and everything. Yeah, impulse entries are good when the other things are aligned well, for sure. Oh, show. So I'll give this candle another 3 minutes max to kind of flip red. And if not, if it hangs out where it is right now, I would actually obviously prefer that because we're going with the trend. Entries, I'll tell you in a sec. I'll tell you in 3 minutes where I'm looking at. Daniel, there's a new breakout. It's only a breakout once the candle closes, so we'll have to wait and see. Or if it obviously just keeps going, then it's like, well, there you go. And like I said, there's a time and a place to take like the impulse buy on that breakout. But when there's wicks here, I'm not going to risk that because I've already can see that it's tried to do that a couple times, and both times it was like, no, I'm coming back down. Cat, what up, my dude? What is up? You're in a buy from 2693. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm assuming you obviously took a buy at the break of this. A little bit of structure here, I guess. 15-minute time frame. So I'll cancel that order in 1 minute. I'll give it 1 more minute, and then I'll be looking at taking a buy. I'll put that text here. Why the fuck is that so yellow? Where's Ninja Trader? Let's have a look. Cancel. Let's see if this can like at least come back down a little bit and close, or if it's just gonna cruise. Isn't this just crazy stuff over here? Should we enter? You can, I'm not. It's not scary. It's you should be just, it's just wild the amount of volume. Like it it's fine. I'm fine about it. Like I'm happy these days where if I don't get a setup, then I'm just like, it's all good. Like it doesn't really matter. Oh, you sold on gas. Wait for the next candle. Yeah, this candle could still just break above this range, and I'll be interested. I'm not too fussed about the wick. Like I'm taking it into consideration, but I'm not Like if it leaves a wick but still closes above the range, I'll just have to, make an educated decision. Yesterday's consolidation during the New York session burnt me. Ooh, yeah, it's you got to be careful when you get caught in, not to get caught in consolidation, right? Corsicus, what up? What up? What up? So 3 minutes over here, but this candle closes. See what can happen. A lot can happen in 3 minutes. A lot can happen in 3 minutes. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Bisalvina and Nico. Loving this, learning every day off you, bro. Oh, I appreciate that energy. Love that a lot. I'm very glad to hear that. Hey, you guys, if any of you are in the Discord, my Discord's in the bio there on TikTok. I'm going to do a Zoom session this weekend with like cats in the Discord, and we'll run through a simulation session together. And anyone in the Discord, like if you're keen, jump on the Zoom. We can all be in there and just chat shit and just run through the simulation together. And we can actually do it and really break down the entries and what we're looking at and things like that. Dillawa, that was you that kind of got that, put that in my head. So that's, is it free? Of course, man. Yeah, 100%. Join the Discord and I'll drop a reminder in there. And yeah, any of you guys keen to join. I just don't want to do it and no one's there. I'm like, oh fuck, it's just me. So yeah, if you're keen, I'll drop the thing in the Discord and we'll run through a sim sesh and just do it slow. Discord, bro. So yeah, energy, sweet as. And trader, yeah, join if you guys are keen this weekend. I'll join tomorrow, bro. You won't do it now because you'll never do it. Yeah, I think it'll be dope if we can kind of just sit through and run the simulator. The simulator, MT5 simulator, is awesome, man. You guys, it's fucking so good. I can fast forward it to the London Open and we can literally just go through it like a real session. How often the top one per payout? I don't know, bro. I need your help, brother. Graffiti. Yeah, join the chat. What do you need? All right, we've got 40 seconds here. This is interesting. If it closes where it is now, I'm interested potentially over here. Let's have a look. So the 30's still open. The 1 hour's got 15 left. The 4 hour has an hour and 15 left. So check this out. If this candle here now, yeah, don't go up too far, bro. And I'll wait a second. I'll show you what I'm looking for. What time of the weekend? I don't know. It'll be like, I think it'll be probably like 6 hours before now, tomorrow type shit. Damn it. So here's the thing, you guys. Let's measure this range. 20-ish pips, I guess. I'm gonna have to... The thing is, you obviously want to break out above this range. It's pretty far above that range now. My stop's gonna have to be a bit bigger, so I'm pretty interested. I'm just gonna have to lower my lot size a little bit. 2 a.m. UK time then. I can figure it out. I can figure out a time that works for most people. I just need to make sure people are actually gonna come. That's all. Nah, no trade yet. No fear. So just hang out a second here. This candle just opened up. You guys can do whatever you want. I'm sticking to my rules, and my rules say I need a wick. 1. I would really like this. I don't trust it too much just yet. I would really like it to break the high a little bit. Like I want it to do that and then come back down, make a little bit of a wick. And then when it breaks the second time, I'll be interested. I don't like that it's this far away from support. Energy, I'll set an alarm. So Energy, if you're from the... Yeah, let me figure it out. I'll figure it out in the Discord. I'll let you know. So I'll be interested, you guys, if this happens. If this flips up and then pushes back down, like makes a bit of a wick and then pushes back down and then flips back up again. If this leaves without me, I honestly don't care. It's pretty far away from this support. I'm going to have my stop all the way down here, you guys, and I don't like that. So if I miss this trade, whatever. Like, I'm not going to take risky trades. I just can't. I don't really care. Well, Mikey, I get what you're saying, but we've been moving up every session, so it's having minor pullbacks, but not like significant ones. It's just there's enough volume that it just doesn't seem to care. So like I said, guys, anyone that's new, I would like this to push up a little bit and then reject, push back down, leave a wick, and then I'll put a buy stop there. Anticipating that it has enough volume then to push up again. I want to see it just tested again. And if I don't get that, I'm happy to let it go just because the stop is so steep, you guys. I'll have to put my stop all the way down here and that's like 25 pips, bro. That's a lot for me. Yeah. So if I don't get this one, I'd rather stick to my rules. I'd rather miss a trade than lose a trade, you guys. It's really that simple. So I'm being a bit more strict with like the confirmations I'm looking for. Kater, what up, my dude? I'm being a bit more strict with my confirmations I'm looking for, just because the market's kind of thrown a bit of a spanner in the works. I'm good, my broad. What's your stop loss usually? Man, honestly, like 17 pips, 20 tops, and then 20. Even then, I'll like cut some size if it starts to go against me. I'm a volume trader, so like when I'm in a trade, I'm kind of anticipating it to leave type shit. I'm a volume trader. Sounds so zesty. So I just pushed up pretty aggressively there. What's your lot size? I don't know. 25 contracts, mini contracts on a 100k account. $100k. Yeah. See you later. What have we got over here? Yeah, bro, my stop would have been steep, bro. Yeah, this is gold. So let's see what can happen over here with this candle. If it breaks these wicks, then it is what it is. Just eyeing out for a bit. Tight stop loss helps. Yeah, I know my strategy to a T. I know where my stop needs to be, all this kind of jazz, right? So, yeah, I just know. Like, see this right now, like how it impulsively moved up and moved down. Like, that's why I was a bit sus in that. Like, usually when you see a breakout this far away from the previous support, I always get, like, it's always a bit sus to me. So I need extra confirmation before taking that. And these breakout trades, I've got really good intuition with. Like, I've done them so much, this particular trade, that when certain things happen, I need extra confirmation before I'm going to take it. And the fact that this broke out too far away from the zone, I was like, nah, I need a few more boxes ticked than I usually would before I take this. So I'd be stressing out right now if I took this one. Have you already put a trade? No, I haven't. I think I just joined your Discord. Chris, bro, you're in the chat every day and you're not even on the Discord, my dude. Well, we're nearly at 10k likes over here on TikTok, you guys. Keeps getting rejected. Yeah, and that was another further confluence. Like, obviously something's rejected it a couple times over here, so I'm pretty comfortable with the decision I made. I might still look at taking a buy if it flips up again. What's the 30 look like? Look at this on the 30, you guys. 7 minutes. You know what? I'm not going to take a buy. The 1 hour is about to close too, you guys. Candle bodies are getting progressively smaller over here too. If I didn't exercise patience just then, because, you know, everyone's like, oh, it's moving up, take a buy. And I was like, nah, I've seen this type of thing before. I'm going to need extra confirmation. Right now, I would be cutting like 70% of my position, if not the whole thing. So I'm lucky I kind of stuck to my rules over there and didn't get that FOMO. Are you single? I'm married to the charts. I'm married to the charts, but man, she's freaking mean to me sometimes. She's really mean to me sometimes, and I swear to God, we need couples counseling. You easily see it's a breakout. Yeah, it's a breakout. There's a level, broke out above. Bro, I can't believe there was girls in the chat and someone goes, bro, they're fake accounts. Oh, 10k likes on TikTok, amazing. Wow, 11k. Just hit to 11k, wow. People touch the screen 11,000 times, bro. Wow. Are you looking for a buy or sell? Do you think my prop firm will pay me out the 50k? You didn't make 50k, bro. Oh, AI generated women selling fucking signals. Wow, so look at this over here. Let's check out what the 30 looks like. I'm still looking for that. So you guys remember how before I was looking for a sell if this candle that's actually green now flipped red? If you look on the 30, the exact same setup's happening, but on the 30, what is the 30 minute? A stronger confirmation candle than the 15. What else have we identified when we first jumped on the stream? There's the first bit of real resistance here to the left-hand side. If you didn't realize, but all this momentum we've had these past week, look how clean the range has been to the left-hand side. So it's had no issues to punch up through all that. We're finally reaching the first level of potential issues it might have. And what's happened when it got there, it's actually rejecting for the first time. So I'm not too in my head just yet, but let's just see what happens over here. Five minutes over here before the 30, 15 and 1 hour close. The 1 hour is also getting smaller body candles, which is an indication of losing volume. The 30s bodies are smaller, getting smaller, and the 15s doing whatever. Keep tapping likes, people. Yeah, brother, Chris is onto it. Spam your fingers until your fingers fall off, and then you know you did it for a good cause. So the algorithm can go, hey, this stream's getting so many likes, man. Having a problem joining the Discord? No, not. Just click accept invite. I'm pretty sure that's all you need to do, brother. Because everyone always says that, and I'm like, send me a screenshot, and the screenshot is just a thing that says accept invite. I'm like, just click that button. Sorry. Yeah, anyway. 4 minutes over here. Very interesting over here. So if this flips red, my same bias that I had prior to potentially taking the sell against a trend, which is highly not advised, would be something that I'll be looking at. It will definitely be something I'll be looking at. Oh, Mikey, what up, my dude? Are you trading the funded account today? No, I'm trading the 100k account today. I actually haven't even followed up on the email. The email said, oh, the email's actually still open right here. Wow, congratulations. So it says I need to like do a bunch of shit over here, and your next step is to undergo a check, blah, blah, blah. So What's the problem, legit? What is it actually saying? The email, yeah, the famous email. What strategy are you using, bro? A strategy that I found. People in the chat know about this strategy, but I found it in the Himalaya. There was this. I followed a series of riddles that spanned over 4 months that led me to a cave in the mountains in the Himalayas, and in that cave, carved into the walls, were candlestick patterns and text written in Hebrew. And after 15 years of decoding, I ended up with this strategy. Congrats on the account. Thank you, brother. Massive. Yeah, it was a massive moment. It's really good. Been a great week, actually, for trading and everything. Nah, user. I'm sorry, bro. I'm in a dick. It's just breakout, price action, clean charts, fucking candlestick analysis. Is gold here, brother? Gold or God? Hope and pray strategy. No, that's the worst strategy. All right, got 2 minutes over here before this candle close. I really would like it to close red, but if it doesn't, we got options. Thoughts on gold right now? My thoughts on gold right now, it's moving up. It's having some rejection off a area here, and it's all good. That's my thoughts over there on gold. Swap colors of candles to what? What do you mean? To what? I like my colors. I made these colors. It's kind of like a bit more pinky and a bit more bluey rather than like red and green. I built these colors brick by brick. Have you seen that Instagram's got the new thing where you can reset your algorithm? Might clean mine up a little bit. It's a mess over there. If someone looked at my Explorer page, I'd be like, this dude's definitely got autism. Blue and purple, no, that's zesty. Yeah, nice. You made your targets. Good stuff, brother. Have you watched Snowfall before? No, I don't know what that is. 50 seconds for this closure. Oh, Key Alexis said, hey, everybody, are you a fake account as well? Because sometimes girls drop in here and apparently the accounts are fake. That's the only concern over there with girl accounts in the chat. Autism, dude. Shit. Alright, so it looks like this is most likely not flipping red over here. And this is our new support level here. And I'll move this up as a new... resistance. And I'll move this up as a new support. Well, what do we got? 15 seconds. It could flip red. Let's have a look. It's flipping red now, I guess. So you're a Caleb, man. Did you know Jackson Tippett? Yeah, I did. Yeah. Pretty sad, right? It's pretty crazy, man. Pretty crazy. What's this range here in between these two? So this is only a 25 pip range. Let's use our brain here real quick, you guys. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate time. Keep it up. Oh, thank you, brother. I'm glad to see you here. Hopefully you can come back next week when we're on, or join the Discord. I'm going to do a simulation session with the Discord cats on Zoom tomorrow. So if you're in the Discord or join the Discord, it's in my bio. We'll all jump on Zoom and run through a sim sesh. What's your strategy? I actually just went through that, Mohammed. I actually just went through that whole story, brother. Did you answer me, bro? Yeah, what did you say, legit? You said something that I actually did answer. I forget what you said, bro. Sorry. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, gang. Oh, that's what I said, legit. I said, tell me what it's saying in the Discord. If you can't join, what are you... When you click my Discord link, what happens next? Because I think you're the issue, not the Discord. I can't join the Discord. I did click on the invite, but it says... That action can't be completed. Oh, so someone's got some real things over here. Really? No, use a cap and... Alternatively, type Daniel Holmes trades into YouTube. I'm on YouTube right now, and it's the full screen. It's not like a little whack TikTok screen. And then in my chat on YouTube, there's a link to my Discord. It's pinned. DS on the YouTube chat. It's pinned in the chat right there, brother. Nah, people join it every day. I don't know why. Yes, Discord not letting us in. No, I don't know if I believe you say. No, I do believe you. I'm going to check though. And if he's a lion... Oh! You're about to open an external link? Yeah, that's alright. Let's have a look. Discord. Accept invite. That's what you see when you click on it. Accept invite. Open. Oh, I have to update. It seemed to be working with me. I don't know. If it doesn't work, go to YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. It's all there. All right. But you worked the way around it. Yeah. Inshallah. I like that. I want to say that word. Can you zoom out and show what's happening? No, but join my I'm live on YouTube right now. You'll be able to see it all. Copy the link from YouTube and paste it in. I would. Wait, Dilawar, would you be able to do that in the chat here? Because I can't. It doesn't let me paste links into here. Why are you using a headset, bro? Why are you using a headset? Where does it? Where's my headset? Where? Breaking my mic and everything over here, you guys. All right, I'll tell you what I'm looking for over here. I'll tell you what I'm looking for because people are stressing me out about the Discord. The 15. So we've got two options here. Usually I wouldn't trade against a trend and look for a sell below a key level against a strong trend. But today I'm going to, and I'll tell you why. I'm going to tell you why. In a minute. Boom. So Danny in the YouTube chat over here just said, I just joined the Discord via the YouTube link. It works fine. People in TikTok stressing me out. I will find you. And I will. Actually, I better not say that out loud. I'll get banned. Wow. Okay. If this goes much further, then... I'm looking for a break below this range on the 15 minute, and I'll be looking for a sell back down to this support level, to the next lowest support level. The reason I'm open to going against the trend here is there's a lot of confluences on the other time frames that are indicating that we're losing a bit of volume. So the candle bodies are getting smaller on the 1 hour. I know to the left we've hit our first level of resistance over here to the left hand side. The 30 minute has 3 wicked candles with smaller bodies, and the 15 is showing an issue going up as well. So if I get a candle that actually closes below this zone, the next one after that can actually wick up one more time like this and then flip and show me it doesn't want to be there, I'll take a sell right there. Give signal, bro. I don't know if you guys are rage baiting me or what's going on over here, but if you guys are rage baiting me or what's going on. Say hi, Mel. Hi, Mel. Greetings. I'm Matt's favorite person in the world. Just join your Discord. Oh, amazing, brother. Okay. So, yeah, look at this rejection over here. Look at this rejection over here. Are you going to give a signal if you see a potential? Yeah, it's not a signal. I'll tell you what I'm going to do, but whether you decide to do the same is up to you. Elliot, just got in via the YouTube link too. Yeah, the TikTok link wasn't working for me neither. Ah, man, that sucks. That actually really sucks. I'll fix that tonight. Damn it. I've roasted so many people for telling me they can't. I've roasted so many people for saying it's not working. And it turns out it's actually not. Anyway, you get that on the big jobs. So yeah, you can see what I'm looking for. Sells above or buys above or sells below. But anyone that's watched my streams know that I need to wait for the candle to close before I can look at taking anything. Oh, Dillawire, it's not letting you paste in the chat. Yeah, it's not letting me do that either. Okay, fair enough. Damn it, so a lot of people have had issues over here. Okay, sorry to anyone that I abused in the process of that. Someone said buy now, thank me later. Okay. Wow, I've never had 41 people on YouTube watching at once. That's wild. And 140 on TikTok. So I've got 5 minutes over here before this candle closes. And the 1 hour close. Yeah, this is a new 1 hour candle. Yeah, we'll see what happens over here. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Chi Chi. Kiki. Live on YouTube is showing the Hermate. What? Yeah, Mohammed, I'm on YouTube. I'm on TikTok right now. There's way more people on TikTok that I have on a daily stream for sure. Yeah, way more people. I've had like 500 at once on TikTok. But I think that's TikTok doing its random thing how it just will randomly spam you like 1 million likes sometimes. Like one of my TikTok videos got randomly today like 50,000 views in like 5 seconds. Well, not 5 seconds, but like, you know, I looked at an old video and I was like, what the hell? This one went up by 50,000 views today. Kind of want to see your trade on live. Well, that's what we're doing. I'm just waiting for an opportunity. Or someone's advertising some sort of Bitcoin, some sort of crypto over here on it, on the chat. So we've got 4 minutes here, just under 4 minutes before this candle closes. Let's see what can happen. So again, let's say that this, and I've already explained why I'm potentially looking to take a sell against the trend. If this closes like around where it is now, I would need the next one to kind of push up and just kind of reject, like try to break back into that zone essentially, and then reject off, create a wick, and then start flipping down, and I would look at taking a sell around there. But that's all dependent on if this current candle can break below. If it breaks above into this range, then we'll just see what it does in this range. I like this. Like I said earlier, I like consolidating charts and then wait for a breakout of the consolidation. So we'll see what happens. Oh, wow. Energy. I popped up on the For You page. That's interesting. Any news today? Not regarding gold or US dollar. Not regarding gold or the US dollar. I think there's some CAD news. Like, I don't know how it's going to have much of an effect. Yeah, but that's not till later. New York sesh. Euro. Whatever. Guys over on YouTube, if you're not following, you should drop a subscribe on YouTube as well. I would appreciate that a ton. A lot. I would appreciate that a lot. If first closes and second one engulfs hard, do you wait for to retrace a bit before entering? Absolutely. So let's say this current candle does end up pushing down and breaking below this level that I've marked here. In 6 situations like this, and most situations, I'll need that next one to open up and try to break back into this zone. I want to see if it does, because if I just take a sell, I don't know yet if it has enough momentum to just continue pushing up. I need to see it reject off that zone, and it'll give me further confidence that it is ready to start pushing down more. And then I'll look at taking a sell around there. No one cares about CAD. Yeah, I agree. Literally saw your first funded account TP after 2 years moment. Followed you, went, oh, awesome, Best. Love that. Love that. Yeah, that video's got some real good, I got a lot of love on that one. I love it. So it's cool. Been watching you all week. Honestly, I'm doing this just to learn it with you. Oh, nice, brother. Okay, and Baby Pips. Energy. Nice, nice. That's the way. Brilliant. Cheers. No worries, bro. There's a war. Don't sell, brother. Yeah, there's been wars lots, isn't there? Oh, wow. Someone's given me this strange gift over here on TikTok. I've never seen that gift before. Thank you. Thank you. Very educational. I appreciate that. If you guys aren't in the Discord, join the Discord, bro. You got to join the Discord. I'm going to do a session with the cats in the Discord on Zoom this weekend, and we'll run through a simulator and actually just like we can all just be there together doing it probably. What causes today's price to jump? Just markets. That's just what they do. Don't think too deep into it, I don't reckon. Do you watch Nick from time to eat? Yes, sometimes. I'm aware of Nick. I trade pretty similar to Nick. So yeah, me, Nick, Don Vu, Raja Banks all trade very, very similar. Not that I'm on their level, but in terms of like similarities, yeah. So what's happened here is what I wanted. It ticked one of the boxes. Can anyone tell me why I might not be interested in this sell anymore? And I'll give you a clue. The same thing happened when I was looking for buys. We've got this level of support here, and I was waiting for a break below. Oversold, left a wick. People are saying, gone too far down. Thank you. Thank you. It's gone too far down, you guys. It's gone too far down. So let's pull out the measuring tape here. Let's pull out the measuring tape here. It's not too far, I guess, but I'm gonna need a wick. I'm gonna need a wick up. I need it to test this prior support. It's been a rough couple of days, you guys. Not rough in the sense that like I've been taking L's, but with the volume, it's just like, yeah, see you later, bro. It's like, it's not really, yeah, it's making it difficult to catch some moves. If you're somebody that just, you know, it's fine. It's no drama. I don't care. Oh, 20k likes on TikTok. Wow. Because it didn't go back up and trace. Well, my thesis was, yeah, this. So obviously with this candle, I'm going to need that retracement. Yes. Yeah. It's too late for you to sell now. No. If it breaks its current wick right now and keeps pushing down further, I'll probably have to call it. I'll probably have to bail on it. But if it does flip up now, here's another thing that can happen, you guys. Check this out. If it decides to dance around here for a little bit and the 30-minute breaks below, that's even better. That's even better. I'm actually hoping that that happens. That this 30-minute, you can see where it is right now. If this 30-minute can instead do this, right? The 30-minute will look something like that, right? If it closes, if the 15 flips up a little bit and closes up there, that means the 30-minute will close like that. If the next 30-minute opens up, wicks up there, pushes down, that is an even better setup for me to take a sell. So let's see what this current 15 can do, if it can retrace up and then hang around back up there. But if it wants to just keep pushing down, then what are you going to do? Just have to hang out for a second, see if another opportunity arises. Price pushed too low now. No, yeah, exactly, Mohammed. Yep. Very unpredictable. Yeah, it's just like sometimes volume will push it, and sometimes you just have to sit on your hands and be like, well, I can't catch that one. But typically a setup will arise. You just have to be patient. A setup will arise, which is like a sensible trade to take. I mean, because I could take a lot of trades that I'm seeing, but they're not sensible. They're kind of, yeah, they're a bit risky. It's like me just trying to capitalize on volume a little bit too much. Would you wait for support to be created, then take buys? Yeah, potentially. I would be sus that we're just in the middle of this range, though. I would more look for buys at the bounce off this support level down here. If the red candle wicks and creates... I don't care about FVGs. I don't know anything about the FVG stuff. Sorry. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, K23. You are him. Super bullish candle, yeah. Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok, NNNAAAAAA. Margara Shook 150. You keep saying things in the chat that are like predictive. You're saying, don't worry, this is going to happen. No one knows what's going to happen. So why not just sit on your hands and wait for actual confirmation instead of saying, don't worry guys, this is going to happen. No one knows what's going to happen. The best trader in the world right now can look at the charts and you say, what's going to happen? They'll say, I don't know. How do you know? Oh, thank you for the follow there on TikTok. So I'm liking what I'm seeing here on this 15. This could turn out quite nice for the 30. This could turn out quite nice for the 30. Oh wow, follows are spamming through here on TikTok. 20k likes, it's all happening. Where do you operate Forex? Where do you operate Forex? Where do you operate Forex? I don't know how to answer that. Let's stay on the 30 because that's the one we're concerned with right. Well, I'm concerned with right now. Want to start trading? Can you teach me? Well, first thing I would say is do the Baby Pips course. It's free. And the second thing I would say is keep rocking up to this stream every London session. It's 6 p.m. my time where I am, but London session wherever it is in the world. And also join my Discord. I would say there's a link in my bio, but apparently it doesn't work. But I'm on YouTube right now. Just type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube, and there's definitely a link in the YouTube chat. Is this gold, bro? Guys, I think I'm done, bro. I think I'm done trading forever, to be honest. I think that comment just pushed me over the line, bro. Actually, you know what? Yeah, no, it's gold. It's gold. It's gold. It's my fault. I'm sorry. It's my fault. I'm going to type it right here again. Gold. I'm going to type it right here again and type the word gold. And I'm going to put it at the top. Sorry, bro. Sorry, user. I know it's not your fault. It's not your fault. There's it's been a long day. No, I'm joking. It hasn't been a long day at all. It's just been a normal day. Type in bold. There, it's there now. And I even made it like a goldish color. You cannot get that twisted now. London session is 10 a.m. in South Africa. Okay, excellent. Then you should rock up to the stream every day. Or else. How long have you been trading? 2.5 years, Gunner. Mikey, question. What's going to happen? Answer, yes. You know what? That's actually a good answer. Yes, TradingView does demo trading. You just have to link it with a broker or something like that. Down the bottom, it gives you somewhere in there. It gives you the option to just join some random brokerage. We've got 5 minutes over here before this candle closes. The 15's kind of dancing around here. I would love the 15 to close kind of like it is now, slightly green. But we'll see. No worries. What's the time? How long have we been in London session for? An hour and a half. I'll hang out for a bit, but because alternatively, you guys, I'm not going to lie, I could see. Alternatively, I could see something like this happening. Alternatively, I could see after that, this next candle can just kind of break back up into this range. And then I can't do anything until it breaks. Oh, sorry, TikTok, you can't see. Hang on. I was just saying, alternatively, I could see that the next candle could break back up into this range like this. I could see something like this happening. And I couldn't do anything until it breaks above this zone. So, you know, I'll be sitting on my hands for longer and we'll see. And I don't want to take a trade within this zone here. I only want to take a trade above this range. So it could be potentially, honestly, you guys, it could potentially be a no trade day for me again today. And that's fine with me. What are you going to do? Atlantis, what up? No trade for me all week. Yeah, John. So I think that's good, bro. You've been like to be able to exercise discipline to say, hey, like to be real with yourself and just say, look, man, my setups aren't showing up and that's fine. Like they usually do, but they're just not. And that's all right. It's not like they're never going to show up again. It's just like the way the market's moving in this particular week that it's been harder to catch a clean setup. I think that's like the ultimate discipline, to be able to sit in front of the charts for a couple of hours and say, look, man, my setup just didn't show up. So I didn't trade. Sweet. I'm not going to force a trade. What happens when you force a trade? We all know. I made a 3k loss. You mean you didn't? You mean you, I don't think the word it is I made a 3k loss. That sucks, but Jazz. Again, there's every time someone says something like this, all I say, man, is there's nothing I can say to make you feel better. But other than you're just gonna have to assess it, right? You have to look back and say, is there something I could have done differently here? Bro, Dub is Mooney, no BS. I don't care about any crypto stuff, brother. Check out Dub, everyone, said someone. Congrats on making a big... Oh, fuck, you guys. I shouldn't be laughing, but that... That's so bad, man. Dude, I'm up in profits on crypto. Yeah, I'm sure you are, bro. I'm trying to look at longevity in this. It's not for me, brother. Oh, Jazz, it's not a big loss for you. It doesn't bother me. Damn, my boy's got money over here. My man. Dude, you guys are bad, man. Mum, I made under $400. My light's flickering. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit over here. I'm gonna hit the lights with some greenery. You win some, you lose some, bro. 100%. Yeah, definitely, bro. Trust me, I lose on stream all the time. It's all good over here. All right, whatever. That one doesn't want to change. I lost 120,000 K house. I'm back at the parents. Ooh, don't get with a woman. Wow, energy. Wow. Hold strong, brother. That'd be rough. A-Trade in Bitcoin? No. How much you need to get funded by a prop firm? Just look at their prices. Oh, to get funded, you can't pay for funding. You have to actually pass a challenge. How do you lose if setups are the truth? How do you lose if setups are the truth? I don't know what you mean, bro. The comments are crazy. Yeah, some of you guys are wild. All right, we're going blue. Blue for profits over here. All right, 19 seconds over here before this candle closes. Yeah, look, some of this is kind of what I said I wanted to see, but I have to be careful over here. So I need a decent wick, you guys. I need a decent wick because this could also be looked at some sort of support that's been formed for it to continue up to the upside. So we'll have to... How much do you make per week? Dude, probably like 78 billion? Nah, I don't know. Not much. Ask my boss. I have a day job. All right, so I need a wick over here, you guys. Check this out. I need this candle to come up and give me some sort of wick, right? And then I'll look at taking a sell around there. But I need a wick first. Because this could be looked at as a bit of a pullback for a continuation to the upside, considering we're in an uptrend. I just got funded 300k from Apex. Oh, incredible, Joanne. Amazing. Huge, huge. Good entry for a buy, maybe. Maybe. I wouldn't do it just because there's too much shit here to the left to get through. And, you know, we've had 2 red candles come down. The red candles got bigger. Yeah, we had a small level of support. Like green candle just printed here, but that's not enough for me to be like, okay, we're changing direction now. It's like, no. $78 billion. Sweet graffiti. Sweet as, bro. You guys, if you're not following and if you're not in the Discord, you're missing out on life-changing things. I don't know what they are yet, but trust me. Sim trading is expensive. Sim funding. Oh, yeah, you can pay for funding. Yeah, you're right. Like, you can pay an extra amount and get you don't have to do the challenge, I don't think. I could only imagine the rules are strict, though. I know that you guys, Top One Trader, which is the prop firm that I pass, they have a 40% off at the moment for the instant funding. So, all right. So if this candle wants to wick from here, I'll be interested. If it continues up, I'll be like, wow, touch it. What time frame? 15. Hi, can I ask you, did you also use SNR technique? People have told me this before. I cannot forget. SNR. Support and resistance? Why R? Put like and. If you mean support and resistance, yeah, that's a big key to my trading strategy. Like, it's support and resistance. It's really just key areas of like where market, yeah, key areas. But yeah, support and resistance. Advice for those trying funded accounts. What's the secret to get funded? The secret is there's no secret. The secret is, bro, I know it's very difficult, but it's just you just got to keep refining and keep getting better. So like, check this out, you guys. It's just like, all right, I'm just deciding to cruise in the complete opposite direction. Very difficult market action over here today and yesterday, you guys. Very, very difficult. And I might call it a day here in a minute. Like, what are you going to do with that? What are you going to do with something like this, right? There's nothing you can do. And someone says, make a buy now. Okay, bro. Type shit. Bro, my strategy is the type shit technique. It's a wild strat over here. Discipline and patience. Yeah, like, honestly, bro, like, what are you going to do over here? Like, we're looking at the market. Yeah, cool. We're getting wicks. We're getting candles that are breaking below. All's looking good. Now all I need is a wick up. And then it just completely pushes up within like a minute. It pushes up like 50 pips. And it's just like, okay, cool. 50 pips in like a minute. What are you going to do? There's nothing you can do. You just have to kind of sit on your hands and just continue to the wait for the actual ideal setup. What about you wait for retest, then place buys? Yeah, I might wait. I will hang out for a second. I'm curious to see how this 15 closes. If it does close above this range, I'm going to have to make an educated decision if I'm going to look for a buy still above this range. Oh, Tyler over here, laugh all you want. What did I laugh at? I can't remember now. How you can decide the buyers and sells line? Well, the new sell line is here now. That's a new level of support. I'll explain that to you in a second over here, but yeah, look at this shit, you guys. Wow. Wow. This is approaching 70 pips. This is 70 pips. We're about to move 100 pips in a couple minutes over here, you guys. Wow. How much capital would you need to start up? I'm a long way. You don't need much. You can do a cheap prop firm account. It's like $50. Told you, don't sell because the war. There's always somebody that comes back and be like, I told you. Hey, you guys that make these predictions and then you come back 2 hours later and say, I told you. Guess what, bro? The market can only move up or down. It's like 50-50. So of course you can say buy and then come back 2 hours later when the market's moving up and say, I told you. It's like, okay, bro, you're a genius. You must be so rich. I'm in a sell right now. Fuck. Bro. Wow, you guys, 100 pips over here. So I'm going to call it a day in a minute. Because in order for me to take it set up, I need candles, a couple candles to print next to each other and shit. But I'll hang out for a second here, but I'll be calling it a day. It'll be another. I've had two no trade days. Wild stuff over here. I need to learn when to call it a day. Yeah, Mikey, I think that was something that was very difficult for me as well, and it's still something that I get the urge to. But when I call it a day, I can't look at the charts because I'll look and I'll see a setup and I'll want to take it. So once I call it a day, I cannot open the charts back up. Maybe I'm confident because I'm a fundamental trader, bro. You are the chosen one, my dude. You are literally the chosen one. 90 pips here, you guys, in like 4 minutes. Wow. See you this weekend? Yeah, okay, epic. You guys, if you're not, join the Discord, TikTok. I think it's in my bio on TikTok, but if you're on YouTube, it's in the chat there. I'm going to do a simulation session on Zoom with the Discord lads. We can kind of go through it together and just go slow and just kill the game. Wow, you guys. Wow, wow, wow. Later, my bro. Yeah, I'm going to hang out for a bit. I just want to see how what this crazy candle does. And you know the thing here, like, I'm going to be 100%, you guys, I don't have any FOMO because our old version of me would have FOMO right now. I'd be like, God damn it, man, I'm missing such a juicy move. But then I came to the realization that, bro, it's going to do it again tomorrow and the next day. And even if I wait around a while, I can get the retracement. Like, there's always a new opportunity. It's fine. Welcome all new all-time high now. Oh, eventually, yeah. I think we're going back up there for sure. Do you just trade the London session? Yeah. Yep. Even off stream what, bro? Bears are cooked. Yeah, bears are cooked. Tyler, bro, I love you, bro, but you need to like chill out, man. You need to chill out, my dude. I need to build that mentality of patience. Yeah, trust me, bro. It's a daily discipline. I have to like be conscious to build that daily as well, right? I have to be aware of it and just be like, bro, remember the rules. Like, remember, don't feel the FOMO. It's honestly, the biggest thing that killed FOMO for me was when I literally came to the realization that I'm going to be okay. I'm going to get another opportunity to take a trade. The way that this market is moving right now, it did the same yesterday. It did the same the day before. Like, there's volume all the time. Like, yeah, you might miss some crazy trade here, but it's fine. It'll do the same tomorrow. I promise you that. I promise you there's going to be plenty of opportunities. How to stop what? Overtrading? Set yourself some strict rules, and then it's just up to you. Sometimes you're gonna need immense, consistent pain in order for you to stop. But the first step is just to set yourself some strict rules. Yeah, listen to Wayne in the YouTube chat here. Says like, yep, it's not like the candle prints are gonna run out of run out of ink. Yeah, they're gonna be printed, bro. They'll be printed today, tomorrow, and for the freaking, yeah. Why is gold moving this way? Yeah, who knows? Well, hear yourself. Listen to this, you guys. Carl in the chat. I keep finding myself putting on a trade but not having a specific take profit. I'm hoping it'll bounce back. Well, then you need to start, like you just answered your own question. Before you take a trade, have your clear take profit and stop loss zones, or you already know them. I've missed 2 potential trades today because my my stop area wasn't valid. Like, don't take a trade unless you know your areas first. Not long. How long did it stay in a trade on average? Not long at all, bro. Anywhere from 2 minutes to freaking... You guys, this has moved up 120 pips in like 7 minutes. Wow. Hey, for real though, set up a sell. Tyler, bros. You're firing on all cylinders in the chat today. How do you identify your take profit and stop loss? Ooh. it's all it's going to be in accordance to your strategy. So obviously you don't have a strategy that you have yet. So you're going to need to develop a strategy, my brother. Copy in Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Bitcoin over here, you guys. Yeah, Bitcoin's doing whatever. Wow, wow, wow. It's freaking going off the screen here. All right, gang. Like I said, you should join the Discord. I'm going to do a session on the Zoom with the Discord cats this weekend, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm going to call it a day. There's not much I can do here, and that's about it. Love you guys, and I'll see you on Monday. See you on Monday. Peace out, gang.